Alright, before we take the fuel rail off, I'm going to take the injector clips off. And it looks like the harness just unplugs over on this side. Alright, so we got the main clip harness off. Now I got to take off every injector. Okay. So there's a zip tie clip thing we just had to pull out. This is what the harness looks like coming out. So to pull these out, all you have to do is push this in and then pull it out. You have to push it in kind of hard. Push it in with your finger, you don't need a screwdriver for it.
Alright, I'll probably get copyright because I got music playing, but oh well. So, I still have the top or the bottom part of the header down there. Because it's welded on and there's no flanger, I'm just going to have to cut it off. So I'm going to use my trusty old Harbor Freight pipe cutter. Same one that you saw me cut the other intercooler pipe. So I'm going to do that real quick. Probably not going to film that, but just to let you know what I'm doing.
So we're going to install the intercooler brackets. And the size is going to be M8, 1.25, 12 millimeters long is what I'm using to bolt it to here. I'm not going to tighten it until we get this adjusted to where we need it. We're going to do the final assembly of the hot side. We're going to get the turbo more permanently mounted. We're going to put the gasket in. We're going to put some Loctite and tighten these bolts. We are going to install the wastegate. And we are going to attempt to install the downpipe. So all the bolts cost about 10 bucks to be able to bolt all this in. They are M8 bolts for everything. I just got a couple different lengths. The only thing that's not M8 is these guys, which I believe are M10s maybe. Okay. So next, I guess we'll be putting this on. I don't know which way this is supposed to sit in there. I don't know if it really matters. We'll go this way. So I didn't have enough threads where I felt comfortable putting the lock washers on. So hopefully the Loctite's going to be fine. But again, I am planning on changing these, so. Alright, so I got the bolts tightened. Alright, so this is going to go, it would have to go this way. So there's no way we're going to make that line up. So we're going to have to cut that pipe there and then get someone to weld it.